Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicwave.com, making this small video about the pound and pound yen, pound index and pound yen, only pound yen. I'm going to show why I took all those pound yen shorts and only shorts. Okay, so let's get started. This is pound index chart, which is very important when in forex trading. A lot of people ignore this, but it's very, very important to watch these individual index charts, what they're doing. So this is what I found on the pound index on the 17th October, that it is making a short setup and it's supposed to drop to the downside. So, and this is what happened from 17th to until yesterday, 25th October. You see it came down. Actually today it went down even further. I didn't make the new chart. All right, so so far so good. This is exactly what happened. But in the meantime, I had this 40-minute chart on the 19th as well. I made that, okay, we're going to either drop right from here or go up a little bit more, hit the TL and then drop. Okay, either way, I would be waiting for the downside in my 20-minute chart. And then knowing that pound is dropping, I can go easily short on pound yen, pound Aussie, pound CAD, pound USD, anything pound, when pound is on the left, wherever the pound is on the left hand side in the pair, right? So this is what happened, and let me see, and this is what happened to this chart as of yesterday. Even today it went further to the downside, but yesterday, 25th October, I recorded. So it came down exactly from where I said, then it retraced again and gave me another opportunity, and then all the way to the downside. So I was right on the dot that the pound is going to get weaker. But how did I take advantage of that? When I look at the pound yen at the same time in October, like around 1920, this is what I found. Okay, so it was hitting the TL, and 48.19 is a big number, monthly low. So I said, okay, this is also a very nice setup, and it matches, coinciding with the pound index chart. So it's gonna drop, and I was waiting for shorts only, no long, shorts. So what happened? On the 40-minute chart, this is what I found, a setup. It dropped, actually it was dropping, drop, retraced, drop, and then it went up and retraced, exactly as I like pound index was doing on the 21st. So I said, okay, this is the area that is going to make a turn, and I will, from 20-minute chart, I will make my entry to the short side. 22nd, it went up, it was dropping, right, and then it went up for that day, and 22nd, all the way here, it was some kind of level I forgot to write down here, and it started dropping. That's where I got in, knowing that the pound is going to get weaker. It is getting weaker, and this pair is going to drop. And this is almost like, say, 85-90 pip trade. Okay, I forgot to write here. So it was on the 22nd October. I think it was like 90 pip. It's 47.20, and this is 27. Yeah, 92 pip, right? So this is the first one. Then it retraced. After that, this was the drop here, and it retraced. I missed this one, but then it retraced back again, and on October 24th, it went up and it started dropping. Very nice setup. As soon as it started dropping, I got in, and look, 150 pip trade all the way down here, and it started retracing. I closed the trade, run with the money. This is what the on the 25th, right? 24, and then it retraced back. This was a short, right? And then it retraced back here on the 25th. And I found another short setup here, right? And look in front of you, right? So this is 100 pip more, right? It went down even further, but this is, so 150, this is 100, and well, the first one is also, let's say, almost 100, right? So that's what, 150 and 350 pip only in yen, pound yen pair, knowing that the pound is going to get weaker, and all I have to do is that wait for the retracement and continuation to the downside, get in and get out. This is how easy it is, if you plan and if you learn what needs to be done. Not only this, I'm just showing, in this video, I'm just showing pound yen trade, these three trades, that's it. but I also have pound USD and big trades in pound Aussie. I'll show you that in the next video. So you see, it's not only a pound index. I mean, you have all the indexes. Today I did 2 trades based on Aussie index. Okay, I tweeted about that. I put in the different places that I'm going to go short as soon as Aussie dollar start getting strong. I will go short Euro Aussie and pound Aussie, and I did. And I'll show you in the next video. I'll show you those trades. But this is how the pound index was, and it was very helpful in trading pound yen. Pound yen is a big mover. If you understand this pair, you can easily make 200 to 300 pip every single week only from this pair. It's very important. The big numbers are very important. Look how beautiful it works. Here there was some kind of number, I forgot which one. Maybe on the last hold on. Okay, 45.94. You see, it just goes there, hit, and start dropping. You make an entry. That's a level, right? And here 45.95 again, right there. That was the 44. Oh, that is 45.94, right? And then 44.95, and it went down again, right? So this is how it is. After this, I'm gonna make another video, like a weekly recap, where I will show. I have pound USD, pound Aussie, Euro Aussie, Aussie yen, several other trades as well. Okay. So this is it for now. Like I said, one index, one pair. This is how much you can do. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.